Here we are featuring the popular Gardall microwave 1-hour fire safe series. All Gardall microwave safes come with user-friendly electronic or keyed locking systems. These safes have all easily passed the UL 1-hour fire and impact test. Among the many features of this series includes hardware to bolt the safes to a floor for increased security, for which Gardall strongly recommends. Gardall microwave safes are perfect for storing handguns, important documents, and small amounts of cash. Thank you, and when you think safes, think Gardall.